Hello, today I want to model for you how to run an advanced search using the King Libraries OneSearch program. This is San Jose State's King Libraries homepage. So it's library.sjsu.edu, and you'll see the OneSearch search bar right here is right in the top. And if we wanted to do a simple keyword search, we could just put in a term or phrase and search everything from this screen. To run an advanced search, that's usually because we have a little more specific type of resources we're looking for. We know a little bit more about what we want, and so we want to narrow it down a little further than that. So, or be specific in our search. So if you click on advanced search, it opens this screen and allows you to add multiple keywords and combine them in different ways to get more specific results. So let's say if you were assigned to write about the social effects of autism spectrum disorder, so maybe the relational effects or something like that. We could do autism spectrum disorder as one term, and maybe the effects could be another term, and then we can add lines. So maybe we do social. Or we could say, sometimes maybe we'd call those relationship or relationship, we'll say interrelationship, relationships. You could make it plural. It's really pretty forgiving. We could, by putting the or in here, it's going to look for autism spectrum disorder effects and either social or relationship. If we do this as an or, it changes what it's searching for. Then it'll start looking for it. It just combines those Boolean terms in different ways. This is the easiest way to find the widest variety of sources and source types. If we just keep all of these descriptors saying any field. Any field now will look for these terms in the title of an article or a source, the abstract, the subject descriptors, or anything like that. We can change these, but then that's going to limit what's going on. So some of the fields that we could look for: title, author, subject, ISBN. If you actually knew the exact ISBN, you could do that. The location of where it might be. But if you knew actually a specific researcher who is a prominent scholar in this field, you could actually add another line and make one of them the author or contributor and put that person's name in as a search term. So maybe we wanted to look for all of the sources that the library holds or that we could find in this database collection that have to do with this disorder and written by a particular researcher. So you can add as many new lines as you want by continuing to click that. But then you can search for these three, and we have 41,000 results. If I wanted to narrow this only to articles, I could do it here. And from the beginning, I could have just searched articles. We still have the same number of results, it looks like. But if we can also narrow it down through here later. In fact, all of these different filters I'll highlight in another video, but we can narrow the date. We could, again, go to specific researchers in the field. We can look at specific subject terms, and we can talk about that later. But this is the basic way, the easiest way to do a basic keyword search, combining those terms, keywords in an advanced search. If you knew already that the San Jose State collection did not contain a source that you want, and maybe another CSU does, you could look for them that way as well. But this is the basics, and if you have any questions, we welcome you at the reference desk. Thank you.